Before judging selenium, start with the person. Who has the target, marker, routine, or risk context that would make the benefit visible enough to track?
The best fit user for selenium is not everybody. It is the person whose goal, symptom, marker, or routine lines up with this pathway. Useful when deficiency risk or thyroid-specific clinical context is identified. In that context, deficiency correction and high-dose wellness claims are separate questions.
Brian, people search for selenium because they are hoping for something useful. Thyroid, antioxidant, immunity, fertility, and hair claims. What benefit is actually worth understanding first?
The useful answer is benefit first. Selenium is essential for thyroid hormone metabolism and antioxidant enzymes. But the safety window matters because chronic excess can cause hair, nail, nerve, and GI problems. We will explain what the body's doing, which benefits are most plausible, and then where the boundary sits. First, follow the substance after it enters the body. Selenium is built into selenoproteins that support thyroid hormone metabolism and antioxidant defense. This is the first reason the supplement is more than a label on a bottle. Then ask what changes downstream. Soil, diet, and supplement stacking change intake. This is where the benefit becomes something you can measure, feel, or track. Context is the switch that changes the answer. Deficiency correction and high-dose wellness claims are separate questions. The same supplement can be helpful, irrelevant, or too strong depending on that context. The first benefit to understand is this: useful when deficiency risk or thyroid-specific clinical context is identified. That matters because selenium is built into selenoproteins that support thyroid hormone metabolism and antioxidant defense. This connects selenium to a real body pathway, not just a marketing word. The second benefit to understand is this: antioxidant and fertility claims need population-specific evidence. That matters because soil, diet, and supplement stacking change intake. This connects selenium to a real body pathway, not just a marketing word. The third benefit to understand is this: hair and nail marketing can flip into toxicity signs when intake is excessive. That matters because deficiency correction and high-dose wellness claims are separate questions. This connects selenium to a real body pathway, not just a marketing word. Then the form matters. A food source, a standard capsule, a concentrated extract, and a study product can behave differently. So selenium should be judged by the exposure that actually reaches the target pathway. Soil, diet, and supplement stacking change intake. Now rank the claims. The strongest claim gets the most attention, the plausible claims get a smaller box, and the vague wellness claims should not drive the purchase.
Now, give me the boundary in proportion. We are not trying to scare people away from selenium. We are trying to keep the useful benefit from being used in the wrong context.
The main safety boundary is specific. Too much selenium can cause hair loss, brittle nails, garlic breath, GI upset, rash, and nerve symptoms. Also remember this second boundary. Avoid stacking Brazil nuts, multivitamins, and selenium pills blindly. That is a reason to personalize, not a reason to turn the whole lesson negative. The simple tracking plan is positive and practical. Choose one target benefit, decide what would improve, watch for the main boundary, and stop if thyroid disease should be managed medically. The practical ladder for selenium is benefit first. Name the benefit, understand the pathway, match the person, choose the right form, track the outcome, and keep the boundary visible.
So the fair summary is not negative. Selenium may be useful when the target is specific, the pathway makes sense, and the person can actually track the benefit.
Exactly. The body ladder rule for selenium is simple. Explain the benefit deeply, respect the boundary, and make the decision useful.